Gold and silver have started the week on a slightly modest bullish note. Now gold trading about 2940 levels, while silver has also seen now close to 3280. What to expect now from gold and silver throughout the day with the Asia and Europe session? Where to enter, where to exit, how to profit. We're gonna see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the first update for the day, and next update will be released before the US session. The subscribe, press the bell. Do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start first to look into gold, followed with silver. Watch gold on the hourly charts. You can find out it is trading in this bullish channel, delivering the dip and the rise at the same time. And yes, you can see now it is seen taking support from this line here. Yes, the lows are beautifully aligned. Very, very important for gold to trade below 2920, 2918 levels, below which you can expect slight bearishness. Else right now it is trading with a little recovery here. You can notice what has happened here. See, after this dip here, it is trying to break out here on the upside, and now once it trades beyond 2946, 2950 zone, we can expect another round of giant rise here. 2946, 2950, 2955, 56. If these three levels are taken, we can see another round of bullishness which can take the prices all the way towards 2965, 2980 levels. But right now I can see a bit of a struggle. Notice the formation here. See, the good support is seen around 29, 20, 24 zone, and right now I can see a sideways movement. So it has to come out of this way, this box, either which ways, either on the upside or on the downside. Right now the momentum is starting to shift on the upside, but let's have a further look. See, the stochastic is rising. The MACD after the dip, it is now trading with little divergence, trying to post a little recovery here, and this is possible, the rise, the retracement, and this is possible that it can continue on this upward path. RSI trying to rise as well. Coming to 2 hour charts, on the 2 hour charts, what has happened? Notice, see, none of the candles here. You can see a very good support is created here. This, despite the dips here, the candles failed to close below 2928 levels. So yes, we can take a sell here, but ideally I will say 29 20 24 is the zone which you should wait for, only below which you can expect the bears to take over. If you look at the stochastic, this is rising. See, moving averages converge, but again have not yet crossed over. This is still in trading in a greener zone. The stochastic rising. Interestingly, the MACD also after retracement has just crossed over, and this is just the first candle after the crossover. We have to wait for the current candle, which means if you see it is staying now about 2946, chances are there that we can see gold back on the bullish path here. But what we had seen last week, a struggle at around 29 55 56. So that is the level it needs to break in order to confirm a reversal. RSI running flat here. Coming to 3 on the 3 hour charts, my worry point is the candle which comes with the tail, the preceding candle which comes with the tail. What has happened here? The candle comes with the tail here as well, but notice what did it do? It has erase the gains and has closed in red. It may deliver the same here. It can erase the gains and close in red at around 29 30 36, and then uh, possibly following that we can see series of candles, because see, right now after this dip it is trading in a box. It has to come out of this box, and I'm just waiting for it. Right now it is too early to conclude that the direction it's going to take, but yes, definitely on the long term time frames it is slightly overbought. However, it is not willing to give up as of now. Stochastic trying to enter into over. The MACD on the 3 hour charts is trading bearish. It is converged but not yet crossed. And it is not that it cannot drop further. Yes, it has lot much of room available on the downside. If you look at the RSI, this is trading comfortable. Coming to 4 hour charts, when you look at the 4 hour charts, see, the preceding few candles are very, very important. It has posted a reversal sign. Post reversal, we have seen a rise. Now look at the last candle. Despite starting off with a bearish note, it has recovered completely and it is closed in green. Most importantly, I can see a bit of resistance and resilience at around 29 45 46 zone. So that is the zone we have to wait for it to break beyond in order to confirm further bullishness, and specifically beyond 2950 and 2956 is where the bulls will take over completely. Else right now I can say that it is still, having lot much of room on the downside. I have shared this several times that gold has shown a very strong bull run, and now I can see that a little struggle is available on the upside. So possibly prices can reverse any point of time. Stock I stick at top. MACD right now trading bearish, trading with little divergence. The RSI is flat. Coming to daily. Now, before we move to daily charts, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. And if you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me, write an email, ping me or Telegram for your queries. And if you're looking forward to a broker which offers swap free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Now on the daily charts, you can see gold trading range bound for last few candles. Look at the move, what it has shown for last 3 to 5 sessions. And now this is the time for it to take a direction. The direction it takes today might gonna remain the direction for next few session. And this is also the beginning of the week here, and thus it is getting critical for gold to show us a move. Right now for the day, you can see it is consolidating here, delivering lower highs and higher lows. Very very important for it to trade below 29.24, 29.20 zone. That should be a very good support zone here on the downside, below which you can expect more bearishness to prevail. Remember, it is trading with divergence from the 20 period, but it is not showing any signs of convergence here. It is just staying on the bullish path. If you look at the stochastic, this has dropped a bit. The MACD, interestingly, the MACD has crossed over, trading with modest bearishness here. And see, after the crossover, this is just couple of candles away. This suggests that it has lot much of room available on the downside. Notice what MACD has done here. It has shown a very good rise for the last multiple weeks, and now hitting the peak, it is crossing over, which suggests that gold prices have now to erase some of the gains what it is delivered in the last multiple sessions. And thus this is making me extremely cautious, specifically on the upside. RSI near to overbought. So now considering this, I will recommend you to buy at 29.46 only. Expect 29.50, 55, 56. Then beyond 29.55, 56, we can expect it to move towards 29.62, 64. If that is taken, chances will be very very high that we are looking at 29.80 and in fact 3000 levels very very soon. Though I think the upside move is going to be bit sticky for gold. On the downside, I will recommend a selling entry now at 29.36. 35 levels expected to move towards 29.30, 28 as the first target zone, 29.24, 22 as the second target zone. Below this, you can expect it to move towards 29.16, 14, 29.08, 28.98.95, and then towards 28.84.80. Below 28.84.80 is where the bears will be seen, as it is still not to be treated bearish for the day, for the week, for the month, as long as it stays above 28.84.80 levels. Take your positions accordingly. Let's move to see silver on the early charts, trading in this bearish channel, the top of the channel at around 33 and the lows at around 32.4, and it has to come out of this. I have mentioned several times 32.4, 32.6 is a greater support zone. It is right now trading just a notch above 32.6, and it may try to fall back within this zone. Now 32.4, 32.6 is something you should be careful of. This is going to remain a good support. Notice on the early charts, the moving average is just crossing over, but I can see a bit of a struggle here on the downside. So let's wait for it to trade below 32.40, which will confirm another round of drop here. The stock stick is seen rising. Look at the MACD after dropping sharply. It is now crossed over, and after the crossover, this is back on the retracement path, and hence this may result into a little recovery. Remember, just notice for the last multiple times, whenever silver has dropped towards this zone, it has posted a very good recovery. While when it is bullish, we have seen it in fact breaking beyond plus 20 plus 30 zone, but right now on the downside, it is struggling to in fact trade below minus 10. So it suggests inherent bullishness here. Right now, it is at the perfect levels from where the recovery can be seen, but I think we have to be watchful. It can break the trend. RSI trying to bounce back, coming to 2 hour chart. Likewise, on the 2 hour charts, after the drop, it is consolidated with the support at 30 to 40 and trying to bounce back, trying to recover. Notice these candles here. You can find out a greater resistance on the upside towards 33, 33.20 zone. So now it sums up that 32.40, 32.60 on the downside and 33, 33.20 on the upside. This is the zone silver need to break beyond. Any breakout, either upside or downside, should bring stronger momentum here. If you notice the formation, see, it is largely taken the support from the 100 period moving average for the last 3 dips here. Though if you divide this from here, you can find out this is how it has been trading. Preceding to this was a stronger rise, following this could be a good dip. So yes, we'll wait for it to trade below 30 to 40, which will confirm a round of drop. Stochastic rising, the MACD is sharply bearish. It is trying to converge, though not yet crossed over. The RSI is trying to bounce back. Coming to see the 3 hour charts, first of all, price is trading with little divergence from the 20 period. It has converged here, trying to stay between 20 and 50. If you see it is staying beyond 32.85, you can buy. Expect 33.05, 33.10. Now look at the formation here. Greater resistance is available at around 33, 33, 33.20 levels, which you should be cautious of. Now, if you see the moving average, MACD or stochastic, you can find out the stochastic is trying to bounce back while the MACD trading sharply bearish. It is trying to converge. I can see a possible crossover here, but right now it is too early. You have to wait for this to cross over, which will confirm a reversal. As of now, it is trading bearish. RSI comfortable. Coming to 4. On the 4 hour charts, notice the preceding two candles here, higher lows, higher highs, lower lows, swings here, and it is closed in green now. It's trying to trade upside again, and just let it trade below on 32.80. The lower price has to be above 32.80, which will confirm its next move towards 33. 33.10 and then 33.20.25. If these two levels are taken, certainly you can say that the silver prices are trying to recover, and this may try to post a stronger recovery here. Stochastic rising here, MACD right now trading bearish. Early to conclude with the bullishness here, RSI trading flat. Coming to the now look at the daily charts here. First of all, a greater consolidation here, one bearish candle green, then a bigger bearish candle now trying to retrace. What could happen at best is it may post a recovery or retracement candle today, and then tomorrow it may start off on the bearish note. That is one possibility which you should watch out for, because see, after this greater dip, couple of retracements and then follow up with a drop, or in fact the current one can also continue here on the downside. Once you see it is staying below 32.40, that time the candle will also turn red, and that is also a greater support zone, because below that we may see it moving towards 32 20 $32 levels. And if at all it breaks below 32, that is the time you can confirm the bears are taking over. Notice that it is trading in this bullish channel, and after hitting the highs, it tries to come back towards the base, and 32 20 zone now should be the next stronger support which it needs to break in order to turn bearish. Stochastic has dropped. Now MACD also, see on the daily charts, after rising sharp, it is now crossed over. After the crossover, this is just first bearish candle. This suggests that silver still has room for further downside today, and hence you should be trading with caution. Specifically, if it is showing bullishness till 33.20, do not trade this as bullish. RSI running flat. So looking at this, I will recommend you to sell here at 32.40. Expect 32.20, 32 at the first and second levels, which are going to remain the greater support levels here. Below 32 is where we can see a good down move here, where in fact the prices can head towards 31.75, 31.50 levels, the next support zone, and below 31.50 is where the bears are waiting all the way towards 30. While on the upside, as right now it is showing strength, you can buy when you see the lower price is above 32.80, but 33.05, 33.20.25 should be the next two resistances which it needs to break, and any move beyond 33.20.25 should take it directly towards 33.50 and higher levels. Take your positions, take your trades accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch and signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. The next update will be released before the US session. Do not miss to watch it. See you again in few hours from now. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day. Thank you.